Hello Stampers, welcome to the craft room. In today's video I want to show you how you can use your paper piercing tool to create some really lovely decorative corners for your cards and paper craft projects. So let's get started. We're going to be using this template which comes with the Essentials Paper Piercing Pack. This is one of 3 templates that comes with that pack. You'll notice that the top part of this template is really acting as a grid system for doing your paper piercing. You'll also notice this inner part here. This actually was the old size of the paper piercing template that Stampin' Up! Had, and now it's actually 6 inches by 6 inches, which is really nice because you can absolutely pierce a standard A2 card. For our purposes though, we're going to be doing some decorative corners. So let me bring in a piece of cardstock and I'm going to show you how to do a couple of different types of decorative corners. So what we're going to do if we want our decorative corner to be here in the upper left-hand corner, we're going to use this solid guideline, which actually is 1/8 of an inch in from the edge of your template, and we're going to line that up here on the left and also across the top of our cardstock. And why we're doing this is so that our piercing is actually going to begin 1/8 of an inch in from the left-hand side and 1/8 of an inch in from the top. And to make our first decorative corner, we're first going to make a 3 by 3 square. So we're going to be piercing this top row, the first 3, the second row, the first 3, the third row, the first 3, and that creates first a little bit of a square. And now what we're going to do is continue this first row down with 3 more piercings, and we're going to follow the second row down with 3 more piercings. And now we're going to come horizontal and continue this first row 3 more piercings, and this second row 3 more piercings. And that's it. That's how simple it is to make that adorable decorative corner. And you could choose to do that in all 4 corners or 2 corners, whatever it is that you'd like. And as long as you continue to line up your template with those guidelines, then your piercings will be evenly spaced in your 4 corners. So let me show you how to make a different decorative corner. So we're going to bring in a different piece of cardstock. We're going to line this one up the exact same way, so across the top and also across the left-hand side. And this time what we're going to do is begin by piercing 7 holes going straight down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're also going to pierce the same 7 going straight across, so don't forget to count that first one as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next what we're going to do is come into this second row here and also continue piercing down. So if that top pierce was 1, then we're going to come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we pierced 6 holes here. So for this next row, we're actually going to pierce 4 additional holes. So that was 1, and now we want to pierce 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 7 total piercings, 6 total piercings, 5 total piercings. Guess what's happening with this next one? 4 total piercings. So the top one plus 3 more. And then this next row, you guessed it, it's going to be 3 total piercings, so we need 2 more. And then this next row, 2 total piercings, so we need 1 more pierce, and then we have that last one. And if you pull this away, you've got a really pretty triangular decorative edge, almost like a photo corner. So just so you can see the differences. Of course, you can do all different kinds of decorative corners. I just wanted to share 2 that you can make using your Essentials Paper Piercing template and your Stampin' Up! Piercing tool with your Stampin' Pierce mat. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon here in the craft room.